The best strategy to get a paid charge off removed from your credit reports is finding accurate, like inaccuracies in your credit reports, like finding errors, finding things that's wrong. Like, is the last date activity the same on all three credit bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian? Are they reporting the same date? Is the payment history the same for all three credit bureaus? Is your date open the same on all three credit bureaus? Finding this information, and once you find the errors, then you want to dispute it and dispute those errors. If you're not fixing it, sending complaints to the Better Business Bureau, sending complaints to the CFPB. You just have to make sure you keep attacking the company. Also, by sending them letters and the credit bureaus, if they're not doing what you need them to do, I do suggest you guys talk to an attorney or possibly sue these companies on your own if they do have errors on your credit report and they're not reporting that account correct, because it could be potentially violating your rights. So that's the best way. Just make sure you send out disputes, find out what's wrong with the account, talk about what's wrong with it, and also just making sure that you file complaints with the CFPB, also with the Better Business Bureau, and just keep attacking them and sending letters directly to the company that has